V-Coptr Falcon by Zero Zero Robotics. Should we be paying attention? Got that coming up next. On December 19, 2019, Zero Zero Robotics announced its brand new drone called the V-Coptr Falcon. Right away, everyone took notice of the fact is that it's not a quadcopter, it's a dual copter. Let's take a look at a short clip put out by Zero Zero Robotics on the V-Coptr Falcon. Now I'm going to throw a slide up on the screen with some of the key specs that I would like to go over with you. Most notably, 50 minutes of runtime. It has a 3-axis gimbal, shoots 4K 30 frames per second, and has a 7-kilometer transmission distance. Now I'll include a link to the specifications in the description. Also, let's go ahead and throw another slide up on the screen. Zero Zero Robotics is taking pre-orders for the V-Coptr Falcon for $699 with a $100 deposit due now. Now this price will increase to $999. Now I've reached out to Zero Zero Robotics and asked them 3 questions. Number 1, when the V-Coptr Falcon will be shipping. Number 2, if the deposit is refundable. And number 3, if there are any reviews on it. I'll be sure to be posting updates as soon as I receive information from Zero Zero Robotics. Question of the day. The V-Coptr Falcon, is this a drone you would consider? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end